Hello, welcome to my technology case study presentation. The school district that I chose to do my presentation over was the Los Angeles County Unified School District. It is located in Los Angeles, California, and this case study primarily had to do with the beginning of the pandemic. There were a couple of issues that the district had, and here are 4 of them. The first one was that they were issuing iPads to students way too fast. It was tough to pilot something in just a few months and start phase 1 super quickly. Issue number 2 was the lack of training and professional development, and overall a failure to recognize the human resource needs created by the big device rollout that they had. Issue number 3 was that the parents didn't want to be held liable for loss or damage or the theft of any of the devices. And the 4th issue was that iPads were considerably more expensive than laptops, but instead we invested in them instead of laptops. What did the school district do well? They were able to push out devices quickly. They were able to afford the higher end devices that students most likely prefer. What did they do poorly? There was poor teacher training. During school hours, kids came to school late on purpose to not get an iPad so that they did not have to do any work. Districts had to buy wireless keyboards for every iPad after realizing that students need typing skills. And so that was a waste of money. Ideas for improvement: teacher training prior to pushing out any student devices. Community collaboration to prevent any policy pushback. Buying Chromebooks in the subsequent years and use iPads just as a backup educational device that do not go home with students because they were more pricey than Chromebooks. And then provide Chromebooks for students that arrive late to school because school work must be unavoidable. And they must get it done. Here are a few policies that I've created to help the Los Angeles district. A new policy could include an alternative work option for students who are not submitting their work on time, including deadlines and withdrawal information. A new policy could also help with absenteeism due to daily tardiness, including withdrawal information for those students that are reoccurring, coming to school late and not getting any work done. And then also a new policy for teachers, so they cannot send technology home with students without reviewing the expectations and procedures. I think it would be crazy to tell a staff of teachers to send out any type of device to students without going over the procedures and expectations, because many students don't have the common sense of what they are allowed to get on, what they're not allowed to get on, and what is inappropriate behavior and what is not when it comes to going home and being on a school device. So things like that are important for teachers to review with their students before it becomes an issue at home and parents get involved. How did the district come to these decisions? Well, the district initially wanted to help all students by providing equal technology. District called a halt to students bringing iPads home because there were many disputes over who would be held responsible, parents or taxpayers. Now the district is putting teacher training into action and purchasing keyboards for all of the iPads. The district is also putting policies into place to assist in future years with technology. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope you like the ideas to help out the Los Angeles School District.